I love Google Docs. I love to collaborate in Google Docs, and I find that I can get things done very easily, but one of the drawbacks is that if I'm looking for something very quickly in a document, it's difficult. And I can put a table of contents at the beginning of a document, but I have to always scroll up to the top and then scroll back down to where I need to be, and it gets complicated. So what I found was an add-on that makes my life a little bit easier. And so we're going to go ahead and we're going to take a look at it today. If I go to add-ons in my Google Documents, you'll see that I have something called Table of Contents. Now, if you don't have this add-on, if you go to Get Add-ons, you can search for Table of Contents and get it there and add it to your document. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click Show in Sidebar, and now what's going to happen is it's going to show all of the areas of my document that are labeled as headings. So if I'm looking for information on speech recognition, if I click there, it will take me to that portion of my document, and you'll see that the cursor now is near that area. I really like this tool because it just sits on the side of my document and lets me find things quickly and easily without scrolling to the top to find the table of contents. If you are looking to do this yourself, what you'll want to do is in the areas that are headings. So as you can see in this document, I've separated them out into the different add-ons I like to use. Highlight the section that you'd like to see in your table of contents, and then make it a heading of some sort. So you can choose the different headings here. I chose heading 2, it wasn't too large. And I'm going to go ahead and click on the refresh, and it will show up over here on the right. You'll also notice that I have these larger sections that seem to be on the left-hand side. All I did for that was I highlighted them, and they are actually listed as heading 1. So heading 1 is going to show up as an overall heading, and then my subheadings are labeled as heading 2, and I just do that by highlighting and clicking on the heading option. So it's very quick and easy, and you'll notice that there's an option to always open table of contents when you're using this document, and that's something that I find very useful because then I don't have to go in and go through the table of contents app by going to the add-ons. It automatically shows up there. So hopefully you find this useful. If you have any questions, let me know.